All right, so here's another practice video of some problems that have to do with word problems with proportions. So if we're looking at this first one, basically proportion is relating two different things with two other, one ratio with another ratio, but you're relating two different objects. So let's look at this first one. So it takes Emma 18 minutes. So usually if there's a number with something after it, we're going to underline that just because that's going to be one of the objects we're going to be looking at. All right, to type and spell check 14 pages. So the things that we are relating are minutes and pages. So 18 minutes, 14 pages. Then later on, it's going to say, okay, they're going to give us one of these pieces of information and we have to find the other one. So find how long it takes for her to type. So like now we're looking for how many minutes, and spell check 77 pages. Okay, so this time they gave us this part of the ratio but not the minutes. So the other minutes is going to be what we're going to use as our variable. So if I'm going to set this up, the order matters. So I'm going to do 18 first, then 14. So it's going to be 18 over 14. And then the second time, it doesn't give us the minutes. So on the minutes side, which is above, right? This is minutes. And this was pages. Okay? Minutes, it didn't give any minutes this time. It's asking us how long. Okay? So I'm going to put X for minutes, and then for pages, I'm going to put 77. Okay? Then from there, we're going to cross multiply. 18 times 77, and then 14 times X. All right, I'm going to get a calculator out. I should have gotten that out before now. Let's see here. All right, so hopefully that's just making more sense. So that is how you'll set it up. So let's do 18 times 77. And then divided by 14. So 18 times 77 was 1,386. Okay, and then we divide both sides by 14. So we know 99 minutes is how long it's going to take. So we look over here. Oh, look. 99 minutes. Okay. All right, so let me do another one. So this time we're looking at Mark. It takes Mark 20 minutes. So again, we're going to underline the first thing that's talking about. All right, and then to type and spell check 14 pages. So same thing, 20 minutes, 14 pages, and then how many pages? So this time it's asking for pages. That's the second piece of information that we're given. Can you type in 5.5 hours? So hours though, and you're not going to have one like this on your test, but we can't deal with hours. Hours and minutes are not the same thing, but we can convert these hours to minutes, right? So let's do 5.5. There are 60 minutes in an hour, so I'm just going to multiply that by 60, and that'll give us how many minutes. So if we do 5.5, okay, then that's 330. Okay, so I kind of want to do that just so we're in the same units. Again, you won't be given this, so instead of it saying 5.5 hours, it's going to say 330 minutes. Okay, but now we'll set up the proportion. So our proportion is minutes, 20, all right, minutes over pages. Okay, and then our other proportion, okay, we're given minutes, right? The other minutes we're given is 330. Okay, and then we're trying to find how many pages. All right, so that's how we need to set it up. Okay, this time we're given the amount of minutes, trying to figure out how many pages. So same thing, we're going to cross multiply. We do 14 times 330 equals 20 times x. So we do 14 times 330, and then we divide, so that's 4,620. And then we're going to divide that by 20, and we get 231. Okay, this is a lot of pages, but 231 pages. Look, there it is. All right, so let's try this next one. Let's just keep going. So on the map, the length of the nature trail is 5.5 centimeters. Okay. So if the scale, okay, so it's giving us, this time it's giving us just information about this trail, okay? Then it's giving us a scale. So the scale is another word for ratio, okay? The scale is 2 centimeters to 31 kilometers. So the way I would set that up, right, that would be my proportion. 2 over, right, this is my first one, 2 over 31. Okay, so where this is centimeters and this is kilometers. So 2 over 31. And then where do you think this 5.6 centimeters, this other piece of information, where do you think that's going to go? Yeah, it's going to go with the centimeters. Okay, then we'll just cross multiply again. So we do 31 times 5.6. So that is 70 or 173.6 equals 2x. And then we divide by 2. Okay, so my answer would be, okay, 8.6 kilometers. So we 86.8 kilometers. So we look through here, 86.8. All right, so hopefully that helped. It's pretty straightforward. The more you do it, if you need me to do a couple more problems, then let me know. Or if you need me to send out the answers to the homework just so you can check yourself, just let me know. But hopefully this helped you with some more practice problems for proportions. Again, feel free to reach out. All right, see you soon. Bye.